so the other way you could be asked this question is they give you the information, you have to write the nuclear symbol. So here we've got an atom containing 18 electrons, 16 protons, 17 neutrons. The first thing is we have to determine what element this is. Well, we can always determine an element's identity by the number of protons, because remember, protons, and this is too thick here, the number of protons is the same as the atomic number. So this atomic number here is 16. So I could look on the periodic table, find the atomic number 16. This is telling me I am dealing with sulfur. All right, so there is my symbol. And I have 16 protons, again, meaning my atomic number is 16. So I know that 16 is going to go here on the lower left. To determine the mass number, which goes on the upper left, remember mass number is equal to all the things housed in the nucleus. So what's housed in the nucleus? Protons and neutrons. So if I had 16 protons and it tells me I have 17 neutrons, I add those together to get the mass number for this atom. So I'm going to do the 16 here. We're going to take the 16 and we're going to add it to the 17. So that gives me a mass number of 33. So that goes in the upper upper left-hand corner. All right, so we figured all that out. Now we've got to figure out the charge. Well, the 18 electrons here, so I have 18 electrons and I only have 16 protons. So what's happened? Well, here you can see, because on a neutral atom, we would have 16 protons and 16 electrons, okay, for a neutral atom. So those charges would balance out. That's not what we have. What we have is 16 protons and 18 electrons. So this atom actually gained 2 electrons. So it must be in a bond with another atom, and it's gained 2 electrons. So that means that it's going to have 2 more negative charges than it does positive charges. So it's got an overall charge of -2. Again, if you can't figure that out by just reasoning through it, you can plug it into the formula. Charge is equal to the number of protons plus the number of electrons. So when I plug that in, 16 plus 18 negative charge, because remember they're negatively charged, charge is equal to -2. All right, so here is my nuclear symbol for my sulfur atom.